I think the economy is not going to move that fast as we are facing a number of challenges like inflation and even stagflation, right? And we are also still not out of the woods yet due to the pandemic, leading to economic downturn. Yeah? And but it is also observed that a lot of great business and great wealth are created during challenging times. And whenever there is always a deep opportunity appears. So what we want to look at is how can we benefit from knowing whenever there is a disruption is happening. Then we can look at this gap for opportunities. What we would see now is from the metaphysics perspective, do we have such opportunity? And should we accelerate in times like this or pull the brake? If your chart is favorable, it is a good time to accelerate and accumulate your wealth. But if it's not good, then no need to say already, just faster pull the brake. Standstill is not a good option. Either you move forward or pull back. And one of the things we look at metaphysics is the ultimate level of achievement is we want to be happy.